Okay, I think it's November 19th. It's been chilly, but not too cold. And I want to do a quick update on my garlics. You can see the 3 sets of stickers there. There. That's for 3 rows of garlics. Now, these 2 here are coming up, and they have another one right here that's not really coming up at all. Really no green coming out of it. That is the Amish rocambole or whatever. And then the other ones in the row, I'll show you, really there aren't any popping up at all. So that's a little weird, but I'll give them till next year. Now the next row, which I don't know what it is, some kind of hardneck. Check that out. It's like 3 p.m. and you can see the shadows are casting pretty hard. So, but anyway, you can see there, 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 just all the way down. That one's coming up really nice, so that'll be an inch or two when they finally get killed off by the winter, and that'll be perfect. And then the front row, I can't find any that are actually up, so who knows. Keep you posted. I don't know if the raised bed's going to take on very much snow, but anyway, I have one row. Let's find out what it is, just so everybody can know. Persian Star Hardneck. That one's come up. So doesn't mean the rest won't, but those are the 2 out of the 4 that have.